Hi there! Welcome to Fun to Fluent English.
Door. A movable structure used to open and close an entrance. Repeat. Door. Door. Usage examples. Door. The door was left open. I can't find the door key. He walked through the door. The office has large glass doors. He opened the sliding door. Someone left a package at the front door this morning. To knock on the door. To hit a door, usually with your hand, in order to make noise and get someone's attention. Repeat. To knock on the door. To knock on the door. Usage examples. To knock on the door. She was too scared to knock on the door. You don't need to knock on the door. Just come in. It's polite to knock on the door before entering someone's room. To answer the door. To go to the door and respond to the person who knocked or rang the bell. Repeat. To answer the door. To answer the door. Usage examples. To answer the door. He doesn't like to answer the door to strangers. They were too scared to answer the door at night. You need to answer the door when the postman comes. To open the door. To move a door so that people can go through the entrance. Repeat. To open the door. To open the door. Usage examples. To open the door. You need a key to open the door. The dog knows how to open the door by itself. She had to open the door for the delivery man. To close the door. To move a door from an open position so that it blocks an entrance. Repeat. To close the door. To close the door. Usage examples. To close the door. It's cold. Close the door. She asked him to close the door. Don't forget to close the door when you leave. To slam the door. To close the door loudly and forcefully. Repeat. To slam the door. To slam the door. Usage examples. To slam the door. Don't slam the door when you leave. He slammed the door on his way out. She slammed the door in my face. To lock the door. To make a door unable to be opened without a key, code, or other method. Repeat. To lock the door. To lock the door. Usage examples. To lock the door. Remember to lock the door before you leave. They taught their children to lock the door at a young age. It's important to lock the door when you live in a big city. To unlock the door. To use a key, code, or other method to allow a locked door to be opened. Repeat. To unlock the door. To unlock the door. Usage examples. To unlock the door. She found the key to unlock the door. I forgot how to unlock the door of my new car. It's your responsibility to unlock the door every morning. Door handle. A part of a door that you hold with your hand to open or close it. Repeat. Door handle. Door handle. Usage examples. Door handle. The door handle is broken. We need to replace it. The door handle was too high for the child to reach. Vocabulary recap. Door. To knock on the door. To answer the door. To open the door. To close the door. To To slam the door. To lock the door. To unlock the door. Door handle. Would you like to see more videos like this one? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.